My name is Richardson, and I'm one of the longtime PAs here at Premier Dermatology. I want to talk to you today about skin brightening. I myself suffer with a lot of discoloration in my skin due to a couple of things. One is melasma, which is a little more hormonally driven, versus just my long-time sun damage. So I'm going to go through my favorite things that help combat all those imperfections that are going to get worse as summer comes on. So we'll start with my morning regimen. First thing in the morning is a product by Regimen, and this is their C complex. I have found that my melasma responds the best to vitamin C serums, and this is the strongest vitamin C serum on the market, and it just helps control some of that inflammation that really brings out the pigment. So next I want to talk about my nighttime cream, that is the skin brightening cream from Premier. This cream in particular is customizable. It has really helped even out my skin tone. It is something that if you get a little irritated or dry from it, you can back off. And then if you're just someone who can't tolerate those retinols, we just leave them out. That's something that Premier can do specific for your skin. And then we have the Glycolic 10 from SkinCeuticals, which I love as a weekly exfoliator, sometimes as often as 2 to 3 times a week, depending on the time of year. So right now I'm using it just weekly, but as summer comes on, humidity picks up, skin's not so dry, I may go to every other night with that. So on the nights that you use this cream, it may be wise to skip your retinol or any cream like the brightening cream that may contain some retinol, just to make sure you're not over drying your skin. And then you are wasting your time if you're not using some sort of sunblock. And my favorite is the Powder Sunblock by Jane Iredale. So one of the reasons I love this product is because by the time I've put on the rest of my skincare, just adding that extra cream sometimes feels a little heavy. So if I use the powder as more of a finishing touch to my makeup, I really like the look and the feel of that. This sunblock in particular has all the mineral sunscreens that we look for when we're trying to work on any discoloration. Just a great go-to to have in the purse for reapplication at any time. All of these products are available at shoppremierderm.com, and they are bundled, but you can also purchase them individually. I would highly recommend a consultation if you are struggling with discoloration, which are free to our clients at any time.